Hello, garden buddies. Welcome to another episode of Gardener on a Mission with me, Tony, your tiny gardener. This is just going to be a real quick, no editing, sloppy video because I had to just show you this North American Native Elderberry in its glory this year before this is all gone. Generally, in the past videos, I tell you I cut it back to the ground in the spring. It'll grow this much every year. But this year I never got around to cutting it back once. I usually do it once I first start seeing any life in it in the spring, once you see some shoots or something. This year I never got around to that. And I don't know if that's a result of all these extra, it seems like it's got more blooms on it this year than it generally does. Let me just kind of walk around this thing a little bit. I mean, it is just absolutely loaded with blooms, top to bottom. I mean, look, it is going to town. So all of these white flowers will turn to little elderberries. See, these little, those become little purple elderberries. As these flowers fade off, that's what you get. And those become elderberries. Elderberry wine, elderberry jam, all kinds of elderberry dishes. So I just had to show this to you. And it's just going to town this year. And back up a little bit. Actually, also, I want to show you this phantom hydrangea standard right here in front of it. I keep whittling on it each year and pruning it up and stuff. And look at it, it's loaded with blooms. I can keep the deer off of these things. It's going to be good. But I wanted to show you that also real quick. And also I wanted to show you the Little Red Riding Hood is in its glory at the moment. Indian pink underneath this heptacodium. And it's budding up, getting ready for its September show. That's when this blooms. Everything else is kind of fading. This thing blooms. Sprinklers are on. I know it's a little late in the evening, but generally what I do is after I cut the grass, I'll turn my sprinklers on to help offset that trauma to them. And then also I wanted you to see that Daisy May daisy there starting to bloom. Here I'll show you the mailbox recipe planted. When we do this, Memorial weekend, a couple weekends ago, 3 weekends ago, you can go back and look at that video. That one right there had either one bloom or no blooms on it. Now look at it. So these are growing. Hope you're having a great evening. Again, I just wanted to show you that elderberry. I mean, that thing, it's becoming an elderberry jungle right there is what it's doing. Because I just let it go to seed. The birds they're going to have a field day this year. And of course they drop those seeds everywhere. And there's all kinds of little baby elderberries growing underneath it. Hope you had a great day. I hope you got in your garden day. And I hope to see you in the next one. I've got some videos that I'm currently editing. So there'll be some videos coming shortly. I hope. Thanks for watching. Arrivederci.